Welcome everyone back to Mr. R Weather Updates, and today's video we're going to skip the Weather Channel radar for now because we are having a look at a lot of weather warnings, including Storm Eowyn, which will be giving very damaging winds for parts of the UK. And you can see here already there has been a red weather warning, not one but two red weather warnings for Scotland and Northern Ireland. So it is a little bit, I've never seen it with two weather warnings, so this is a very serious thing to have a look at. Now you can see here this red warning for wind is covering quite a populated area of Scotland, all of Glasgow and Edinburgh, so lots of people can be affected in this one. And into the Northern Ireland one, we are seeing red warnings in Belfast, even into Londonderry, so still quite a populated area. It is literally in all areas of Northern Ireland. So I'll have a look at the red warning for Scotland first, and this is a 7-hour period, but very strong winds. So with Storm Eowyn causing very dangerous conditions and significant disruption on Friday. This is definitely true because obviously it does take a lot to get to a red warning. So you can see flying debris resulting in danger to life, large waves and beach material being thrown onto coastal roads, seafronts and homes. Very dangerous driving conditions, obviously, with the falling trees on roads. Obviously, these winds are kind of strong enough to fall down trees, which is literally hurricane. I think it's going up to hurricane force winds in gusts. Power cuts affecting other services, mobile coverage, damage to buildings and homes with roofs blown off, power lines that could be brought down, roads, bridges and railway lines closed with delays to cancellations to bus and train services. So it's going to be southwesterly, then westerly winds will be increasing from west to east on Friday mid-morning. So we could see beat gusts to 80 to 90 mile per hour widely. That is ridiculous. We could even see 100 mile per hour winds on the coast. So I would definitely prepare yourselves for this. Even though I might be a little bit dramatic on this one, I would definitely get a charged power pack. I would probably board up the windows because these winds to 100 mile per hour winds are associated with probably 60 to maybe 70 mile per hour wind speed, which is literally ridiculously. And obviously we don't really see this high wind speed in the UK, so I would definitely prepare. So this warning has a high likelihood and a high impact, resulting in how it got to a red warning. Alright, so you can see it is affecting central Tayside, Fife, southwest Scotland, Strathclyde. Now we're going to have a look at the other red warning for Northern Ireland. Again, this is a little bit longer actually, if not the same. Well, it is the same amount of time, just a little bit earlier. Again, Storm Eowyn will be bringing some very dangerous, coming with the same reasons from yesterday. What we just read on the red warning in Scotland. Again, flying debris, large waves, driving conditions. I would not drive on that day. Power cuts, damage to buildings and homes, and roads closed. Again, peak gust 80 to 90 mile per hour, even 100 mile per hour winds is possible, especially in the coastal areas of the hills. This warning has a high likelihood and a high impact as it's a red warning, and this is covering most areas of Northern Ireland. Now we have a new amber warning in Northern Highlands of Scotland. We haven't looked at this one yet. This is a new one. Again, Storm Eowyn is expected to bring strong winds and widespread destruction late on Friday and into early Saturday. So we could see power cuts could occur, such as mobile coverage, probably some damage to buildings, longer journey times and cancellations likely, flying debris is likely, injuries to dangerous life, some roads and bridges are likely to close. So obviously this is not going to be as strong as the red warnings zone, but still something to have a look out for. Again, very strong west-southwesterly winds, 60 to 70 mile per hour winds likely in London, and 70 to 80 mile per hour in some areas, and 80 to 90 in other areas. And this warning has a medium likelihood and a medium impact, covering in the North Highlands of Scotland. Next to here, there's another, still got a yellow wind warning in this area still. Again, same reasons really, but not as serious. 50 to 60 mile per hour, mostly even 80 into the hills, had a medium likelihood and a medium impact, We still have an amber warning in England. Again, this is very strong winds leading to disruption again. Power cuts, road rail, ferry transfers with obviously cancellation as possible. Damage to buildings and homes. And injuries to dangerous to life. We could see 60 to 70 mile per hour winds inland, 70 to 80 in some areas, even 80 to 90 in exposed areas. This warning has a low likelihood and a medium impact. Sorry, and a high impact. We have a few yellow wind warnings for London. Obviously not as strong as in the north, but still strong winds enough. Delays, cancellations on roads, coastal routes again, bus trade services may be affected, and short-term loss of power, maybe some delays for high-sided vehicles. It'll just mostly be 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts, and that is really it. So it has a medium likelihood and a low impact, so not as strong in the south of England at all. So that is the way. Well, still got a rain warning. We did look at this, but it is kind of expired. Well, heavy rain again. Still, could be some flooding. Medium, low impact. Right. So, looking at the UK, we just looking at the temperatures. Now, it won't be that rainy tomorrow. Really, it's just in the morning. We could see some scattered showers, maybe mostly in the south. It will mostly clear, but very windy. Oops. No, oh, sorry. That was Friday. So this is Friday. Again, most of the rain, snow, will be falling into tonight. So mostly, well, I'd say settled, but it probably won't be very settled with the wind. But not too much rain. Maybe some still hill snow. Saturday does look quite settled. However, on the night of Saturday, you could see some snow showers pushing in some areas. On Sunday, there's a front of rain pushing in from the south. Maybe bring some hail snow for a time as well with some rain. And on to Monday again, still got some rain coming from the south. Monday does see a little changeable, could be clear, but mostly could see some showers. So it does look a little bit changeable for next week. Now we have, obviously, temperatures are a little bit cold. 7 to 6 degrees in the south, ranging. Now, this mild air will be very brief. 10 to 11, very, very briefly, but mostly 6 to 9 degrees. But we'll be turning colder into Saturday, so we'll see here around -2 possible in some areas. We can see here Sunday and below freezing in some areas. And Monday, about high teens in the south, low teens in the north. Now, looking at the wind gust for the last time, we can see how it's going to be affecting Ireland first. We could see peak gusts. I can see a lot of hundreds, purples right there. In the far west of Ireland, it literally says 125 mile per hour wind gusts. I've never seen it like that before. I really hope that's not going to happen, because that is ridiculously high. And that is the type of winds that can actually damage homes really bad. Otherwise, into northwest Scotland, I can see 100 mile per hour wind gusts there, moving north, maybe even another amber warning there. Otherwise, clearing away. Maybe a little bit windy for your time actually on Sunday. Could see a 40 mile per hour wind gust in some areas, but not as windy as we're about to see. And this is the area of Storm Eowyn with very tight ice bars. So, yeah, please stay safe, whoever's in the red weather warning, because obviously it is serious enough. So make sure that you do prepare for any of this. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.